Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about internet computer price prediction and internet computer news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for internet computer in 2022. Internet computer is the world's first blockchain that runs at the speed of the internet with unlimited bandwidth. It represents the third major innovation in blockchain technology after Bitcoin and Ethereum, a blockchain computer that scales smart contract calculations and data, produces them at the speed of the internet, processes and stores data efficiently, and provides powerful development frameworks. By making all this possible, internet computer allows the next step to completely rethink software. It provides a revolutionary new way to build tokenized internet services, industry-wide platforms, decentralized financial systems, and even traditional enterprise systems and websites. The project was founded in October 2016 by Dominic Williams and aroused significant interest from the crypto community. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about internet computer. Internet computer plans to roll out BTC and ETH integrations by end of Q1. The slated integrations with BTC and ETH would displace the need to use a bridge, which can open the network up to malicious actors. The Internet Computer has released a roadmap for 2022 and beyond, indicating plans to roll out integrations with Bitcoin and Ethereum by the end of the year. The Internet Computer is a public blockchain and protocol that allows developers to install smart contracts and decentralized applications directly on the blockchain. It was incubated and launched in May 2021 after years of development by Dfinity, a nonprofit based in Zurich. The direct Bitcoin integration will be launched as part of Dfinity's Chromium Satoshi release, which is planned for Q1 2022. It will add smart contracts to the Bitcoin blockchain using chain key cryptography, displacing the need to use a bridge, which could open the network up to malicious actors. Dfinity community member Berto Pargapina explained that chain key cryptography is one of the fundamental breakthroughs enabling the internet computer to scale to millions of nodes. It is a set of cryptographic protocols that orchestrate the nodes that make up the internet computer and the engine that drives it, and makes its operation possible. Smart contracts on the internet computer will be able to hold, send and receive Bitcoin, without the need for private keys, wrote Diego Prats, director of product at Dfinity, in a Saturday roadmap post. Meanwhile, integration with Ethereum is slated for Q3 2022, with the Vanadium Vitalik release. Dfinity is yet to publish any further details about the integration, but Vice President of Communications Michael Less explained to Cointelegraph. So, when you make a transaction on the internet computer in Bitcoin, it actually changes the Bitcoin ledger versus what you see today, with a bridge. It's like a wrapped Bitcoin or wrapped Ether. Less explained that Dfinity has chosen to prioritize these integrations to help facilitate its vision for a multi-chain future. He said, if Bitcoin is going to be around forever, how do we actually provide? The best user experience is to combine all these networks directly. In December, Dfinity enabled smart contracts, called canisters in its ecosystem, to hold their own balances of ICP tokens. The ICP currently supports 250,000 queries per second, executed with 1 to 2 second transaction finality. ICP on canisters was the important feature that made it viable, and it will probably go crazy once direct integration with BTC and ETH are released. Kyle Peacock, lead software engineer at Dfinity, told Cointelegraph. On Friday, Cointelegraph reported that the Internet Computer blockchain had welcomed its first decentralized exchange, DEX, Sonic, with at least 2 other exchanges in the works. Upcoming Polychain capital-backed DEX Infinity Swap appears to be orienting itself to capitalize with this upcoming integration with Bitcoin. According to Lee, it will allow users to stake their Bitcoin, BTC, as liquidity, providers. THEICP Google Pay, the Central Bank of Russia, said. The banks in question include banks under the VTB Group, Sovcombank, Novacombank, Promsvyzbank, and Okriti, per the announcement. The banks have all been sanctioned by Western governments following Russia's attack on Ukraine. The announcement added that holders of cards from these banks will be unable to use them outside Russia, and when shopping on e-commerce platforms that are registered in the country supporting the sanctions. The central bank stressed that cards and other payments from the sanctioned banks, as well as from all other banks, will continue to function normally inside Russia. In Moscow, some residents were already lining up at ATMs yesterday to withdraw cash, as fears grew that withdrawal limits would be imposed in Russia, the Wall Street Journal reported. The news could provide yet another boost to Bitcoin, BTC, crypto adoption both in Russia and elsewhere, as residents learn about its properties as censorship-resistant money. Google and Apple have not yet commented on how the sanctions will affect their payment services. In a speech on Thursday, however, US President Joe Biden said about the sanctioned banks that every asset they have in America will be frozen, and the West will limit Russia's ability to do business in dollars, euros, pounds, and yen. Today we will discuss the internet computer price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The rate of cryptocurrency is one of the most important factors to consider. Whether internet computer will survive in the next few years is unknown, but based on analytical data, we have made forecasts for the near future. Internet Computer Course Forecast 2022. ICPs have great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in internet computer, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $25.15. ICP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $22.45, a minimum price of $21.82, and a maximum price of $25.15. ICP rate prediction 2023. The cost of internet computer will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. ICP is expected to top out at $37.93 by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of internet computer will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average ICP price will be between $32.36 and $33.26 expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum ICP price ranges from $32.36 to $37.93 for 2023. Internet Computer Rate Forecast 2024. The current price range of internet computer may be of interest to many traders, and therefore ICP could reach $56.09 by 2024 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $47.85 for 2024, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. ICP Price Prediction 2025. For a long-term forecast of the internet computer price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ICP price will rise to around $72.27 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $78.34 with a minimum price level $70.36. ICP Price Prediction 2026. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term ICP price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2026 could end with an average bid of $103.99 and a minimum bid of $101.09. The maximum bid is expected to be around $121.91. Internet Computer Price Prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Internet computer could cross $175.98 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2027. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors,